Hello guys, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel and you are watching ITU, your most likable and informative channel. Guys, it happens most of the time that we accidentally delete a text message or some of our important messages got crashed by some of the other means. But we don't know how to recover them. So today in this video I am going to share how to recover or restore any of your deleted messages. So watch this video till the end. To do this, we must first go to our phone setting where we will find a MI account option. Guys, because I have a Xiaomi phone here, my phone will have a Xiaomi account. But if you have a Samsung, Oppo, Vivo or any of the Android phone, you will also have a device account for that one. So you shouldn't be worried that this method won't work for you. You only need to search your device account for it to work for. Now let's continue with the steps. After that, select MI account. Make sure your phone is connected to your number or email address so that you can press on the Xiaomi cloud icon here. The first portion is for managing storage, while the second is for syncing app data. Therefore, under sync app data, you can view all of the apps like they are installed on your phone, including gallery, messages, contacts, recorder, call history, and many more. Now we must select the messages option since we need to restore our deleted messages. Here you can choose from three options for syncing messages between SIM1 and SIM2, as well as the option of only use Wi-Fi to sync MMS. Make sure all of your settings are turned on, as they are here for me because I have SIM2 in my device. Therefore, you must use every option in this message area if you want to recover text. Now, return to the Manage Storage section where you may see deleted things and click on it. Guys, here you can see you have four options including contacts, messages, galleries and notes. The data for any of these four sections can be recovered here. I mean to say that whatever data you have deleted from your contact, messages, gallery or notes will be recovered here. So, since our goal is to recover our text messages only, we must select the messaging option in order to locate our deleted messages. Guys, you may recover or restore all the messages that have been erased from your smartphone by pressing the appropriate button or by selecting all if you want to recover every message. Here I am clicking the restore option because I want to get this text message from the bot. So I am clicking on this one. Now you can see that message here is being restored. After this process, your message will be restored in your text message section and you can get it back. So guys, in this way you can recover any text messages that has been deleted from your Android device. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do so, then do hit the like button and do share this video. I will see you at the next one. Till then, bye bye.